Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily change contrast on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub, which is the app that it's designed for ELGATO cameras. Make sure that in device the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro and it's selected. Now we'll go over the picture, and here you can easily change your contrast. As you guys can see, just click it and slide it with your mouse. As you guys can see, it works pretty good, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.